welcome to my channel. I'm super excited because finally I'm able to make this video. I got my first June Ipsy bag. One of the things I want to mention is that it approximately took 2 months to get here. I ordered this all the way back in the beginning of May and it took till yesterday to show up, and I'm like, what? It's Tetris themed, which is super cute. I really do like the bag a lot, the makeup bag that it came with, and it has a little Tetris Ipsy tag on the side with a little cute Tetris block right here. I love the little touches to this bag. Even if you're not a huge Tetris fan, you can appreciate the bag. It has like very nice patterns on here, and I love the purple pink theming, and everything inside is purple pink theming. It says Tetris all in the inside. Super cute, and that's all of the things that you get. You get around 5 things, and I'm going to take them all out of the bag to show all of you these things, and some of them I'm wearing right now. First off, you get a little Ipsy card like so in your glam bag. This tells you all of the products that are in your glam bag. Everything matches up accordingly, and it tells you what everything is basically. This is like a little overview of what every product is in the glam bag and what the product is for. So it's very nice and handy to have, because some things I didn't know what they were. I'm like, what are these things? Like, why are you giving me this? But then when I read the card, I'm like, oh, okay. I'm sorry that it's really windy out here, but yeah, weather is always finicky around here, so at least the temperature is cooled down. It's warm but not too hot. I'm going to get into showing you some of the products I got from my first Ipsy bag. I'm really excited. I already tried mostly everything already except for the watermelon mask. I'm really excited to try this one out. It smells super nice and refreshing. It smells like watermelon. I haven't tried this one out yet, but the bottle is so cute. It's from Pearlies, I believe that's how you say it. The packaging, the bottle is so freaking cute and amazing. I love it. The little watermelons are just so adorable. It's adorable packaging. I'm going to try this out on the weekend and let you know how it works out and if you should get some for yourself. I do a lot of reviews on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram so you can keep up to date with whatever I'm posting there. Right now I have on the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe lip gloss, and it acts like a lip gloss because it doesn't really dry down. It's kind of sticky like in the wind, but it hydrates your lips very well. It's a nice shade of pink. I love it. It's very shimmery and strobe-like. I really like it. That's what I'm wearing right now as we speak. I like this lip gloss a lot. It's very nice, and it's a full-size product too, so always a win, right? When you get full-size products. I can't wait to use this even more with other looks. Overall, a really nice product and nice coverage too. Last night I tried this moisturizer that I got from the Ipsy bag. It's the Neogen Code 9 Black Volume Cream, and it's not a cream, it's more of a gel based moisturizer. I'm not sure how it will work out for me because I only tried it once, but it did smell great. It's very gender fluid. You can either use it if you're a woman or a man. It's non-gender specific, which is very nice for products because there shouldn't be really a gender for products, you know? Like, everyone should be able to have the right to use whatever products that they want to use. And it has a very nice fresh scent. It can either be for a man or a woman. It's a little bit more on the manly side, but a woman can use it as well. It's not going to make you smell very manly if you're not really a fan of that type of smell, but very nice. I really like it. It goes on easily and it doesn't smear or anything like that. So far, so good. I also tried the delectable Butter Wash Body Polish, and it's supposed to be a citrus scent, but it smells more like cake or cake frosting, like on the sweet dessert side. Very nice body polish. My skin felt very nice and smooth. I really like this one a lot. I want to get the full-size product of this one. Very nice. minimal grains, and they have nice grains. It doesn't have any of those micro beads. Very nice grains, as you can see right here. I really like this one a lot. It's one of my favorite products from this, along with the watermelon mask, because it's pink and it's so pretty. Like, this glam bag is super nice and pretty. They did a very good job with keeping up the theming and summer vibes of the bag, and having like a cool theme to it too, like Tetris. It's the 35th anniversary of Tetris, and I really like this eyeshadow that I have on right here. It's the Tetris Ipsy collab eyeshadow, and you get one block, only one block though. You can't put anything together. And there you go, right here, game on, with a little Tetris symbol, and it's called Top Out. It's a royal blue shade, and it goes great with the purple that I have on right here. So I'm really excited to use this one a lot. I will be using this. I really like this shadow a lot, but blending the shadow is not very well. It kind of gets a little bit sticky. I'm not sure if it's the primer that I used or what happened, but it's a very nice, very pigmented product. It goes on really nice, but the blending is kind of like eh. But I made it work out, so I'm not too mad about that. That's a little nitpicking thing that I have right now, is the blending. But overall, it's a nice shadow. Overall, I say the bag was fantastic. I hear a lot of complaints that some people don't get the right products or the bag tailored to them, but mine was fantastic. I really enjoy everything that's inside of here so far. Nothing is wrong with anything. I feel like I got lucky for my first glam bag, that everything came out fantastic and great, and I love it. I can't wait to get my next month's glam bag. That'll be something. But I love that Tetris and Ipsy did a great collab so far. I love everything about this. The only problem I have is that the bag took 5,000 years to get here. It came yesterday. So that's my problem. So now I'm here making my review video on the whim. But it's okay. Everything worked out for the best. Great bag, great time, great weather. What more can I ask for, right? I'm super, super excited. I want to thank all of you for watching my review and going through the bag with me today. I'm really happy that I got it for once. If you liked the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. There's going to be more glam bags on the way. And I do a lot more beauty videos and reviews as well, so be on the lookout for those. Don't forget to press that notification bell, and you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday. So please, please be on the lookout for those uploads. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.